Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about get a strong back with these exercises. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. The back muscles are very important because they are involved in every movement you make somehow. Any injury or weakness of the back muscles, even very minor, means that you are in pain or unable to perform certain movements. Strengthening your back muscles can help prevent injury and ensure that your whole body works smoothly during daily activities and exercise. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Strong and healthy back muscles make you feel better and make you look more attractive. When your back muscles are in good shape, so are your posture, symmetry, and overall body. For these reasons, training the back muscles must be included in the bodybuilding program. Stay tuned with us to find out what are the best back exercises. Number 6. Dead stop row. This movement is similar to the barbell movement, except that you place the barbell completely on the ground and stop in that position at the end of the movement. How to make this move? Stand in front of a weight bar. Bend your knees slightly, leaning forward so that your upper body is flat and slightly angled to the ground. Open your arms shoulder width apart and hold the barbell with the back of your hand facing your face, looking down and not raising your head. Keep your muscles tight, and make sure your thighs are slightly lower than your shoulders. This is the position to start moving. Bend your elbows and pull the barbell to the bottom of your chest while applying pressure to your shoulders. Try to make your body at a 45-degree angle with your upper body and try to touch the barbell off your chest. Number 5. Pull over dumbbell. Some athletes know this movement as an exercise to strengthen the chest muscles and, of course, causes severe use of the abdominal muscles. But as long as you lift the weight above your head, your upper arm makes a rowing motion. When you lower the weight, your armpit muscle is at its maximum. How to make this move? Lie on your back on a bench, holding a dumbbell above your head. Hold the dumbbell instead of using the bar. Keep your arms straight as you lower the weight in a curved path above your head. When you feel a stretch in your chest muscles, slowly lift the weight slightly to return to your starting position. When you pull it back, your armpit muscle gets involved and is responsible for rotating and moving the weight. Number 4. Meadows Row. This motion is another way of doing barbell training invented by the great bodybuilder. This angle of motion causes more force to lift the weight and causes you to suddenly use a lot of energy to bring the weight to your chest. How to do it? Keep one foot at a distance of 15 centimeters from the end of the barbell and your other foot in a comfortable position behind you for good balance. Bend forward so that your upper body is at a 45-degree angle to the ground, and freely place your free hand on your hind leg. Hold the bar or dumbbell with your inner hand so that the back of your hand is facing your body and your fingers are facing the ground. Now raise the barbell to the bottom of your chest. Meditate a little to feel enough pressure. Now slowly and in a controlled mode, lower the barbell. Number 3. Deadlift. The classic barbell deadlift is generally known as hamstring and serine muscle strengthening exercises. Still, you should know that it is also useful for strengthening the armpit muscle. When you are lifting or lowering a barbell with heavy weights on it, they are actually hanging from your arm, and the muscles in your back should practically be stretched. How to do this? Place the barbell on the floor with the appropriate weights and stand close enough to make your leg almost in contact with it. Hold it with the back of your hand facing up and spread your arms slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Spread your legs shoulder width apart so that your arms are exactly next to your legs, tilt your thighs back as far as possible, and then bend your knees to reach the bar. While keeping your spine straight from a down position, lift the bar off the ground and stand with your knees bent, back to a standing position. When moving, it is important to maintain a firm posture. Gently and in a controlled way, lower the barbell and place it on the floor. Number 2. Pull up. It is always a good idea to have a swipe over your head in your workout plan. Pull-up barbells put pressure on the upper muscles. The short distance between the hands may provide more range of motion. Still, the open hand allows more load to be applied due to the optimal initial position of the joints. The biggest challenge for those who do this exercise is to train until they reach muscle weakness within the correct number of repetitions for muscle growth, 8 to 12 times. If you do pull-ups in your workout, you may have to use a weight belt. Of course, suppose this is difficult for you. In that case, you can use a horizontal assistive device, get help from an assistant, or change the movement to an open armpit, which is a good alternative. If your shoulders are not injured, there is nothing wrong with making this motion. Number 1. TBar Row. Bend forward so that your upper body is at a 45-degree angle to the ground. This is the shape of the starting position. Press on your shoulder and bring the weight part closer to your chest. Wait a while, and then return to your original position. Which ones of these exercises have you tried before? Do you know more effective motions for building a strong back? Feel free to share your ideas and experiences with us in the comment section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.